For a visually impaired person, it is difficult, among other things, to use appliances with touchscreens and with touch-sensitive buttons. Unfortunately, today there are increasingly more and more of these appliances in the kitchen. Let's take the cooktop as an example. It is difficult to locate the buttons, and if you press a button you can hear a beep, but it is not possible to know what happened on the cooktop. And even if you start to cook, you never know what's your current status or heat level of the burner. I participated at the Technology and Special Needs Innovation Booster because at the Swiss Federation of the Blind and Visually Impaired, we're always looking for technical innovations that help blind and visually impaired users in their daily life. We believe that technical solutions can best be developed with a combination of innovative initiatives and industry.
So to make it easier for visually impaired users to use modern cooktops, we've developed a device that is attached to the interface and replaces the touch controls with more traditional controls such as buttons, dials, and knobs. And these intuitively give visually impaired users the tactile feedback they need. The device is designed to be modular so that it can be used with many different models of cooktops and be configured to the user's specific needs. For example, a user might prefer sliders over a knob. They might need a module that lights up or gives them auditory feedback. And it could also be wireless so that you can position it wherever it's optimal for the user.
An innovation booster is the InnoSwiss funding program that brings together thematic communities to explore their problems and their challenges in a series of open innovation settings and events. And the main goal is to help them discover new opportunities and develop and test ideas for radical solutions. That is to say, ideas that solve the problems in a totally new way. InnoSwiss offers this program to facilitate exchanges between actors who might not have met otherwise. To solve today's big societal challenges, we really need people from the private, the research, and the public sector to work together and develop innovations that are viable, feasible, and desirable.
The purpose of the Innovation Booster Technology and Special Needs is to encourage the development of innovative projects in the field of disability in Switzerland. So we accompany and support teams so that they have the best possible chance to grow and develop their idea. The goal of our Innovation Booster is to support participatory processes within the projects so that the end users of the solutions, mainly people with a disability, but also relatives or caregivers, are part of the whole process of designing, developing, and evaluating the project. And in doing so, we wish to boost social inclusion of people living with a disability in Switzerland.